Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be kind of a throwback. I am just going to do a quick video with you guys. I'm going to do an outfit of the day. I've been kind of obsessed with like 2010s lately, and just the way content was back then. I really love the idea of just picking up the camera and doing a what's in my bag or a outfit of the day. Like, even looking at the a day in the life videos from back then were so different than today. So I'm kind of obsessed with that right now. You guys know I do not like to really edit my content. I don't know how to do all those bells and whistles, and I can teach myself, but I just feel like I don't have the time. So I like the idea of a simpler, more authentic filming style. I don't know. We'll see how this goes. I feel like this could be a cool like idea and possibly bring this trend back, maybe. I don't know, or maybe I just start doing it for myself. I don't expect this video to get a lot of views because it's an outfit of the day and I feel like no one watches these anymore, but I don't know. I wanted to film something and I wanted to show you what I'm wearing today and just be like throwback. So I have no lighting set up. You're in my window right now. I'll use my mirror to show you, but let me show you my whole outfit as a whole first. Okay, so this is my outfit. I am going to work, but I just have one client, so I have a root touch up with a haircut. I'll be folding towels, kind of straightening the salon, and then I'm pretty much coming home. I do want to go to the dollar store because it is my favorite store. So this is going to be my outfit. I wanted comfortable. It's about 75 degrees today, but I wanted comfortable. I might throw on like a cardigan. Usually when I'm at work, I'll throw on like a cute little cardigan just to like stay, because we have the air conditioning usually, just to stay like warm. But yeah, so this is it. So first off, shoes. I love these. So I actually have these in two different styles. One is with pearls and this one is just like, I don't even know what you would call it. But I feel like they're so cute. I love the idea of slides. I think they're adorable. They're comfortable. So these ones, I don't think I've worn yet, so I do probably have to break them in a little bit. But these are from Shein. I think I got like all of these because I have so many pairs of these. I think I got these and I think they were like $10, $9 from Shein. I would say the quality is probably not 100% like the best. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I don't expect these to last forever, but I've worn them quite a lot. The other ones I have here, I'll show you real quick. So these are the other ones I have. I've worn these ones quite a lot. So these are the pearl ones. I just think these are really glam and different, and so I like to add a little bit of sparkle to my wardrobe. But yeah, these are from Shein. I am gonna buy more. I actually have some other ones too. Let me show you real quick, because we don't want this video to be too long, especially since I have to get to work. But I have these as well, which are really sparkly, and then I have them in gold, like all gold, because these are like silver with black. My other ones are all gold. Love these. Not the most comfortable, and if I have to walk all day, I'm not gonna wear them, but to go to work and just kind of do hair, I feel like they get the job done, so I really like those. And I feel like I've been slowly finding my style again. I think with the pandemic and everything, I've been just in a rut. And if you know me, you know I wear all black all the time, and it's like the same black jeans and the same black t-shirt every single day. And then I started posting outfit of the days on Instagram, and I realized someone was like, you know, I've never seen you wear color except for on your Instagram. And I realized my Instagram was almost like not authentic, because I'd buy stuff because I did think it was cute, and I was like, oh, I like this, this looks cute, I look cute in this, and I'd take a photo, but I wore it for the photo. Like, I took it off as soon as I was done. So I feel like lately now I'm like starting to get back into my style. I do like all black. I prefer all black, but I'll wear pop of color here or there. But I'm trying to get back into the style of wearing black, but different pieces. Dress it up a little bit. Like, instead of wearing my black t-shirt and black ripped jeans, I have some dressy pants. Let me show you. They're not dressy. What are these called? I don't know. But here is my pants. So these are just like fun, like kind of like, I feel like you'd wear these to the beach kind of thing. I got these on Amazon. I think they were like maybe like $15 or something. They were really affordable. They're really comfortable. I would say they're kind of like floods, but I think that's the style. So I just wear them with these. But if you want like different, like longer ones, maybe, I don't know, these might not be the ones for you. I'm 5'6". But yeah, I like these. They go really high, which I like because I don't like to show my stomach, but I also like to wear crop tops a lot. So this Amazon, I'll link it in the info box. This is a top from Shein. I like to get my basics from Shein because they're affordable, and these like I take care of my clothes, so I expect this to last long. So I just have that, and then I have this amethyst necklace Vince got me, I think last time we were in Tahoe. So I haven't worn it in a while, and I am a creature of habit, and I usually wear the same necklaces every day, so I put this on to change it up. Okay. So then for so I have my bracelets here. I have this one right here, which is from an organization called Until There's a Cure, which I believe the donations or the proceeds from the bracelet sales goes to HIV research. And then this one is from my friend, and then this one right here is just from my shop. I have a shop called the Colada Boutique, and we will be relaunching soon. So I have that, my ring, and then I have, this is just a moonstone from Shop Dixie. I really like Shop Dixie. I get most of my rings. If you ever see me with rings, chances are they're either from there or Midsummer, is it Midsummer Dream, I think? But Shop Dixie is like my #1. I just love their stuff. It's great quality, and I've had for years. And it's just like, it's just beautifully done. They make such great jewelry. Simple earrings, if you can see, I just have my studs. So I just recently got this pierced like a month and a half ago, the third one. I'm really excited because I'm gonna pierce kind of like up on this one next. Like for like 10-15 years I've wanted my third ones, and I've never gotten them, and so I finally was like, you know what, I'm gonna get my thirds, because I just got my nose pierced last November and I love it and it healed. So now I'm like, okay, thirds, once that heals, I'm gonna probably do like, I don't know where I'm gonna do, but somewhere inside and kind of go all the way up. I think it's really glam when they have like one ear of cute diamond jewelry. So that's kind of what I'm doing. Makeup is mostly from the dollar store, but I could go into that on another video. But if the lipstick isn't, the lipstick is Bare from Bare Minerals, and I've been loving it lately. I decided today, you can't really see, I decided to part my hair on the side like I have for like 10 years, and then just a couple months ago I started doing the middle part, which now I love. But I was like, I'm gonna go, let's throw it back. We're gonna do a side part. I'm working on growing my roots out, as you can see, so that's like a fun journey for me. And then my bag today is Scarleton. So I haven't even put my stuff in it. I just pulled it from the shelf. So I'll show you guys this bag because you guys know I love bag videos. I didn't even take off the tag yet. Let me take this off. Yeah, so I just got this bag. I just got a whole bunch, so I have to show you this. I love this. This is super simple. The shape is really cute. You guys know I love Amazon bags because they're affordable, yet I feel like I find a lot of good quality with my Amazon bags. So I have this one. I love it. It's very simple, but it's gonna fit my outfit today like perfectly. Like, what a vibe, right? So, and then let me show you the inside real quick. So the inside, it says Scarleton right here. It has these gold details. And there's actually quite a bit of room. Obviously it's so big. And then it has the pocket here. I feel like I really like the design on the inside. I don't know what it is, but it's like the fabric is really nice. It feels luxurious. It's got a zipper pocket. But I thought it was so cute. It does come with a crossbody strap, which I have actually here. You guys are gonna think I'm so silly. So I do all my straps when they come in, they're always like bent, you know, because the way just they are in like shipping or something. So I hang them. So this is the crossbody strap. For this one, it just hooks on and it goes crossbody. But I prefer it not crossbody. I think it's more of a chic look. So I just got this one, but I already have this one. You guys have probably seen this one on my Instagram. I bought this specifically. We're going on a tangent because I bought this dress because I was like, oh, it's like, gives me like Italian vibes. I don't know, like, I don't know, it's really cute. So I was like, I need this purse to go with it. So I went and bought the purse. If you look at my Instagram, I have a picture with this bag and that outfit, probably just like 2 rows down. I have been posting more like outfit of the days, which I'm loving, so if you guys want to check out more, check out my Instagram. But yeah, so this is what I'm wearing today. I'm just going to work. Let's see, well, do I need to show you anything else? I showed you my outfit. I'll probably do a cardigan. Like I said, I'm probably gonna go to the dollar store. I think I might go to the dollar store on the way in. Let's see, I have my card holder, my hand sanitizer, lipstick, some gum. I think that's all I'm gonna take. So let me show you my card holder real quick because I love this card holder. You can't see anything. Okay, I got this card holder from Amazon a while back. And I think it's so important to have a card holder because sometimes my bags are too small to really fit my full like Louis Vuitton wallet. So I'll do this card holder, and it's kind of like I feel like it's got the style of like the Gucci card holders, but they don't actually have this heart. A lot of people, like, they don't actually have this heart on the Gucci card holders. So I feel like it's just so cute. It reminds me of Gucci, but it's more like inspired. Quality is amazing. I've had this for so long, and I think I paid like $12.99 for it. I would literally buy it in every color except for the fact that this is gonna last for so long that I'm like, I don't need to. It'd be pointless, right? It'd just be a waste of my money. But love this. I'll link that below. I'm gonna take the hand sanitizer. This one smells really good. This is the Japanese Cherry Blossom by Bath and Body Works. I'm not really a person that needs name brand hand sanitizer at all. I think I found it somewhere and I was like, ooh, perfect. And it smells really good. Some gum, and then my phone. Do I need anything else? Oh, sunglasses. What do I want to wear today? Ooh, do I want to wear these? These are kind of a vibe. Oh, wait, I think I'm gonna wear these today. I bought these on, I think, AliExpress. I buy all my sunglasses there because it's affordable. It's like usually like less than $5 for any pair of sunglasses. A lot of my sunglasses were like $1. So, and I go through sunglasses like crazy. Like I leave them places, I get them scratched. I don't take proper care of them. So yeah, I think this is cute, especially with my hair tucked behind. Love this. Such a vibe. Well, such a vibe. Oh, also, if you notice, I'm super pale right here. I don't think you, oh yeah, you can tell. I tanned yesterday and I forgot my arm. I don't know, I've not done that in all the years I've been tanning. I've never forgotten my arm, and I'm like, what is wrong with me? But I think I just have a lot going on. Okay, do I need anything else for work? No, but I do have to drop mail and letter, dollar store, and yeah. So that's it. I hope you guys liked this video. If you guys found it interesting or you liked it, let me know, because I do think this is just a little bit more authentic than me trying so hard with all the lighting and everything. This is just fun. Casual outfit of the day, chit-chatting with you, and I could do these more often if you do like them. But yeah, I have quite a few videos coming out. I have some handbags, new handbags videos. Like I said, this one's from Scarleton, but I have a whole bunch of new Amazon handbags coming soon. And then I have like some handbags that I realize that are designer that I've never even shown you guys. So I want to show you guys that too, but you guys know I love affordable so much. So, well, is there anything else I need to show you? I think that's pretty much it. But thank you guys so much for watching. You guys are awesome. I hope you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you next time.